Hello learners, myself Anshu, and in this lecture we will learn about regional economic integrations and levels of regional economic integration. So, in layman term, we can say that regional economic integration is a process in which economics, or we can say that countries, to integrate to integrate or to form blocks or to form groups or come together to promote international trade by eliminating or removing trade barriers. So basically, in layman term, we can say that regional economic integration is a process in which two or more countries like India and Nepal, like different countries like India, Nepal, and other countries form a group, form a cartel, we can say that, or form a group or form a block to promote international trade, to promote import export and remove trade barriers, or we can say that remove remove taxes and other barriers. I hope you understood it. There are few regional economic groups like ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nation, SARC, AU, ठीक है, NAFTA and others. There are so many regional economic integrations. Like here we can understood very well. Like regional economic integrations is referred to the process by which countries within a specific region, specific geographic regions, agree to cooperate and integrate their economics for mutual benefits. They come together and remove taxes, reduce trade barriers for free flow of imports and exports. Here, uh, it involves the removal or reduction of trade barriers, the harmonization of economic policies and regulations, and facilitate to the free flow of factor of production, or we can say that services, labors, है ना, goods, capitals between participating countries. ठीक है, चलो, basically there are 6 levels of integration. How many levels? 6 levels of integration, regional economic integrations. These are 6 levels. So in first level is called PTA. PTA means preferential trade area, or we can say that preferential trade agreement. In this agreement, the bloc countries, the group countries reduce taxes, reduce taxes, but follow their own follow their own policy for other countries. ठीक है, and second level is FTA called free trade area, or we can say that free trade agreement. In these blocks, the grouping countries or the bloc countries remove all taxes. What I said remove all taxes. NAFTA is a perfect example of it. or NAFTA now became USMCA, United States Mexico Canada Agreement. PTA's perfect example is SAFTA, America, South Africa Free Trade Agreement. Okay. Third agreement is called CU. CU means custom union. In custom union, the trade blocks follow same, or we can say common external trade policy. Common external trade policy. Here is written here. Common external tariffs or trade policy. It means that India, suppose that, for example, India and Nepal form a group, and both India and Nepal are charging 20% of import or export taxes from other countries. So, in fourth level of integration, that is called CM. CM means common market. In common market countries or group of countries, they follow free movement. Here is written free movement of factor of production. What factor of production? Factor of production, what? Like land, labor, capital. Basically, free movements of all factors production between the bloc countries. Fourth levels of integration is called EU. In EU, sorry, this is called fifth level of integration, and fifth level of integration, EU, European Union. In these blocks, the grouping country or the bloc country follow same currency, same tax rates, tax policies, same monetary policy and fiscal policy. And the sixth or the last level of integration is PU, political union. In political union, the bloc countries or the group countries form a common or a single government. What I have said? I have said to form single or common government. So I hope you all understood the sixth level of integration. First level is PTA, second is FTA, third is CU, common market means common external policies. Fourth is common market. It means that free movement of factor of production like land, labor, capital. EU, European Union, or European Union is the perfect example of EU. And PU doesn't exist in the real world. Basically, EU, as far now, as till now, or basically EU is going towards the PU. I hope you understood it very well. This is the complexity of the levels of integration. Here we can say that, and by the chart, by the graph, we can easily understood that, like FTA, free trade area, CU, CM, EU, and PU. PU says common government, and FTA and free trade area says reduce or basically remove trade barriers. Okay? And as we go highest level of integration, the integration is become more complex. I hope you understood it very well. Thank you.